Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PagerDuty for mobile production incidents, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the PagerDuty website on your preferred browser. Log in using your existing credentials if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Services tab located on the sidebar. If you do not see the desired service, you may need to create one by clicking on Add Service. Once you're on the service page, look for the Integrations section. Click on Add Integration to set up a new integration for mobile incidents. In the integration options, search for the mobile platform that you're using, such as iOS or Android. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the integration settings. Make sure to provide relevant information such as the integration type and incident routing. After configuring, click Save to complete the integration setup. Next, go to the Notifications tab on the sidebar. Find the Mobile Alerts option to set your preferences for notifications. Ensure that mobile alerts are enabled and customize your notification settings based on your needs. If you want to receive specific alerts, you can set escalation policies related to mobile incidents. You can create a test incident to ensure you receive notifications on your mobile device. Confirm that you received the alerts as expected. Regularly check back to update your preferences or integrations as required. You are now ready to manage mobile production incidents effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.